some evil in my eye and some thoughts in my head that were making me feel high. On my head was a hoodie, in my ears was some bass. I was walking around my dog when I saw that sexy face come towards me. And with a little cheeky smile, if she was a phone, I pick her up and dial the fire brigade. Oh, 000, she stole me my tracks. I said, hello, hello. Oh, hello, hello. Sleeping in the sand with some dreams in my head that were causing an extension to the towel and my bed. And the waves were rolling up the curves on those legs like a sweet beach pillow with a centerfold spread. In the midst of the slumber, heard some footsteps are creeping and I woke to discover the woman I've been dreaming. She knelt down beside, said, can I share your pillow? I rolled over and I said, well, hello, hello. Oh, hello, hello. Some like money making, some like cars, and some like the houses with the rooftop spires, and some like the gossip about some rich sugar daddies. But me and my friends were like the golden brown honeys, and some like watching people living on TV. That's a little strange if you're asking me, cause I like to eat and laugh and play. I know these are the things I know. Well, hello, hello.